Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving deep into the much-anticipated Nikon Z5 II, a mirrorless camera set to make waves in the photography world. With its rumored features and cutting-edge technology, this camera could be a game-changer for both amateur and professional photographers. Let's break down everything we know so far about the Nikon Z5 II, from its expected specs to potential market impact. Nikon Z5 II. Expected release date and market strategy. According to industry sources, the Nikon Z5 II is anticipated to hit the market in the summer of 2025. The delay in its launch appears to be a strategic move by Nikon, allowing the Z5 to reach its peak sales period before introducing a successor. With the growing demand for budget-friendly full-frame mirrorless cameras, the Z5 II is expected to cater to a broad range of photographers. Sensor and image processing power. At the heart of the Nikon Z5 II is a rumored 24.5 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. This upgrade promises better low-light performance, higher resolution, and improved color accuracy. To complement this sensor, the Z5 II is expected to be powered by the XP7 image processor. This will significantly enhance processing speed, allowing for quicker image rendering and better noise reduction, making it ideal for high dynamic range photography and low-light conditions. Video capabilities. A step forward for content creators. Nikon seems to be stepping up its game in the video department. The Z5 II is expected to support 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second, along with Full HD recording at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, a 1.5x cropped 60p mode will cater to videographers looking for versatile shooting options. These features position the Z5 II as a strong competitor against other budget-friendly mirrorless cameras like the Sony a7C II and Canon EOS R8. Autofocus and image stabilization. Keeping it sharp. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z5 II is its rumored 273-point hybrid autofocus system. This system is expected to include real-time eye and animal detection, making it a great choice for portrait, wildlife, and sports photography. The in-body image stabilization system will offer 5-axis stabilization, ensuring sharper images and smoother video, especially when shooting handheld. Display and viewfinder enhancements. For those who prefer composing shots through a viewfinder, the Nikon Z5 II is rumored to include a 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder. This should provide a clear, high-resolution preview of the shot, making it easier to nail focus and exposure. Additionally, a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD is expected to be part of the design, offering flexibility for low and high-angle shots. Pricing and market competition. Although the exact pricing details are yet to be confirmed, industry insiders speculate that Nikon will position the Z5 II competitively within the full-frame mirrorless market. Given the success of the Nikon Z5, its successor is expected to offer an attractive price-to-performance ratio, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious photographers looking for professional features. Future Nikon releases and technological innovations. Beyond the Nikon Z5 II, Nikon has several exciting products lined up for release. Among them is the rumored successor to the Coolpix P1000, possibly named the P1100. In addition, the Nikon Z9 II is expected to be in development, targeting professional photographers seeking a high-performance mirrorless flagship. Nikon is also working on a new line of cinema lenses designed specifically for videographers. The Nikon ZX. A glimpse into the future of photography. One of the most intriguing rumors circulating in the industry is Nikon's development of its first consumer camera with a global shutter sensor, tentatively named the Nikon ZX. This high-speed variant is rumored to compete directly with flagship models like the Canon EOS R1 and Sony a9 III. If the leaks are accurate, the Nikon ZX could revolutionize professional sports and wildlife photography. Expected features of the Nikon ZX. Sensor. 20.4 megapixel global shutter sensor for ultra-fast readout speeds. Processing power. Dual XP7 processors for enhanced performance. Rolling shutter elimination. Near-instant readout speeds to minimize distortion. Release window. Expected launch in Q4 2026. With testing beginning in early 2026. Nikon appears to be taking a strategic approach with its high-speed camera lineup. Reports suggest that the company has been testing flagship mirrorless prototypes equipped with global shutter technology. However, these prototypes remain in controlled laboratory environments, with real-world field testing expected to commence next year. Nikon's strategy in the mirrorless camera market. Nikon has consistently pushed the boundaries in the mirrorless segment by offering premium features at competitive price points. The company's strategy has been to provide a well-balanced mix of high-end features while keeping its pricing accessible to both professionals and enthusiasts. As more photographers shift towards mirrorless systems, Nikon is ensuring that its lineup remains relevant and competitive. Final thoughts. Is the Nikon Z5 II worth the wait? With all the rumored specs and potential advancements, the Nikon Z5 II is shaping up to be an impressive addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup. Whether you're a casual photographer looking for an upgrade or a professional seeking a reliable full-frame option, the Z5 II is likely to offer a compelling mix of performance, versatility, and affordability. The photography industry is evolving rapidly, and Nikon seems to be making calculated moves to stay ahead of the competition. With the upcoming launches of the Z5 II, ZX, and a range of new lenses, Nikon is positioning itself as a leader in both the consumer and professional photography markets.